Did you know that USCIS and DHS now place all 55 million U.S. visa holders under continuous vetting in 2025? This expanded immigration monitoring system could affect your travel, visa renewals, and green card applications, making it more important than ever to understand how continuous vetting works and what it means for your status. Welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience based in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we assist clients in all 50 states and around the world. To get direct access to the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case, make sure to click the like and subscribe button to stay connected. In 2025, the U.S. government expanded its continuous vetting program to cover all visa holders, affecting an estimated 55 million foreign nationals currently in the United States. This policy marks a significant shift in immigration oversight using real-time data monitoring to evaluate potential national security risks on an ongoing basis. Whether you hold an H-1B, F-1, B-2, or any other non-immigrant visa, understanding how continuous vetting works is essential to maintaining lawful status and protecting your future in the United States. Now, what is continuous vetting? Continuous vetting is a government-run system that automatically monitors foreign nationals in real time using a range of data sources. These may include criminal databases, immigration records, watch lists and no-fly lists, social media and online activity, international travel alerts, employment or school status updates. The goal is to flag behaviors or affiliations that may indicate a threat to public safety, national security, or immigration compliance. Now, who is affected? All non-immigrant visa holders, including F-1 students, H-1B professionals, L-1 executives, B-1, B-2 visitors, O-1 creatives, and more. Dependents of those visa holders, such as spouses and children on H-4, F-2, or L-2 status. New applicants and renewals. So anyone applying for a U.S. visa or seeking an extension is also subject to the vetting process. Now, continuous vetting does not change your visa eligibility requirements, but it can trigger action if certain issues are detected, including entry denial at a port of entry, visa revocation or cancellation, requests for more evidence, delays in future applications. In more serious cases, it can lead to removal proceedings or permanent inadmissibility. Now, before we dive deeper, if you have any specific questions or need more details, feel free to drop them in the comment section, or you can reach out to us directly through our website at www.directusimmigration.com. We are always here to help and would love to hear from you. Now let's jump back in and talk about how it works. So first is data integration. So information from federal agencies, law enforcement, and other government databases is collected continuously. Second is real-time alerts. If a visa holder appears in a new criminal or threat-related database, an alert is triggered. Third is manual review. So USCIS or CBP officials review the alert to determine if action is necessary. Fourth is potential outcomes. Now this may include notification, visa review, interview requests, or status termination depending on the severity. Continuous vetting begins as soon as your visa is approved and continues until the visa expires or your status ends. In some cases, individuals may remain under monitoring even after leaving the U.S., especially if flagged for future travel concerns. Now, here are some common triggers for scrutiny: arrests or criminal charges, ties to flagged organizations or groups, social media activity deemed suspicious, failure to maintain status. So for example, dropping out of school on an F-1 student visa or ending employment on an H-1B visa, unauthorized work or travel violations. Now, let's talk about the pros and the cons. So while this policy helps authorities spot real threats faster, it also raises privacy and civil liberty concerns. False positives, data errors, or cultural misunderstandings could unfairly affect law-abiding visa holders. Now let's talk about how to protect your status. To minimize risk under continuous vetting, you should stay current with your visa requirements. So for example, school enrollment for F-1 visa holders, employment verification for H-1B or L visa holders, status expiration dates, avoid activities or affiliations that could be misrepresented as security threats, regularly check for updates to your immigration records, so the I-94 or the CVIS, etc. Be cautious with online statements or posts that could be taken out of context. Consult with an immigration attorney if you suspect your status may be under review or if you receive unusual inquiries from immigration officials. Overall, the expansion of continuous vetting is one of the most sweeping changes in U.S. immigration oversight in years. It touches nearly every visa category and gives the government ongoing access to personal and behavioral data, even after your visa is approved. For more detailed information on recent policy updates, you can visit the USCIS official announcements page. If you're unsure how this might impact you or want to be proactive about protecting your immigration status, consider scheduling a consultation with Direct U.S. Immigration to discuss your options.